Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Tui Hoc Tieng Anen, a channel that helps you learn English a little each day in a simple, easy, and effective way, perfect for busy people and beginners. Let me tell you a little secret. Sometimes the best way to learn is not to study harder. It's to share what you just learned. Yes, teach it. Even if you are not a teacher. Even if your English is not perfect. Because when you teach, you learn it one more time, but deeper. That's how I study. That's how I grow. I remember last week, I learned a new phrase. It was simple, but I didn't want to forget it. So after class, I looked at my daughter and said, "Mommy used to drink coffee every day." She smiled and replied, "Me too." Even though it was a joke, I remembered the phrase. That night, I wrote the sentence again in my notebook. Then I shared it in my English challenge group. One small sentence, but many people replied, "Oh, now I understand how to use used to." In that moment, I realized something. When I speak what I just learned, my brain remembers it better. It becomes part of me. You don't need a big audience. You don't need a stage. You just need one person to listen. It could be your child. It could be a friend. It could be yourself in the mirror. After I learn something, I always try to explain it, even if only for 1 minute. And when I do, I understand more. I find better words. I catch my own mistakes. And slowly, my English becomes clearer. You can try this too. Today, when you learn a new word or sentence, say it out loud. Write it down. Tell it to someone you trust. Or post it in your group. Even if it's not perfect. Even if it's only one sentence. Because when you teach, you don't only help others, you help yourself. You don't have to wait until you're fluent. Start now. Start small. Start with what you know. And say it with heart. That's how we grow, not by being perfect, but by being brave enough to speak. Thank you for learning with me today. If this message gives you an idea, try it right now. What did you learn today? Say it. Share it. And if this story helped you, please like this video, share it with someone who's learning, and subscribe to Tui Hoc Tieng An for more stories that make English simple and real. See you in the next video.